Linelia Parada member who are had the honor of representing our town in multiple tournaments and brought honor to our community through each victory I bring home. My mother, who also happens to be my mentor, has instilled in me the importance of discipline and persistence in life. Though I come from a small school, I stand here today, motivated by the children in the poor area I recently visited. Their struggles has deeply inspired me to walk the big stage tonight, determined to be the voice of the youth who feel both disheartened or demotivated in life. Ladies and gentlemen, Mia Cruzet, 14, and honored to represent my school, Campbell Academy Foundation Incorporated.
Okay. Your hashtag is artificial intelligence.
As a youth, I see AI as a powerful tool. Imagine AI improving healthcare so that everybody, regardless of their background, gets the best treatment. Imagine AI improving classrooms, helping students learn at their own pace, and making education accessible to all. However, we must all remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Recently, when I visited Lower Caloocan by the shore area, I was heartbroken to see children who don't have the same educational opportunities that I do. It was heartbreaking to see such inequality. Therefore, if I were to win this pageant tonight, I will donate all my winnings to schools in underserved areas to support technology education and ensure children can thrive in the digital world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. High School number 14.